Hi! In front of me is ZTE AXON 20 and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. First of all, go into settings and scroll all the way down right away. Then tap on About Phone at the bottom. Now tap on My Phone Name and type in wherever you wish to. I will go with Sunny. When you're ready, save your changes by hitting save over here. So when I do that, as you can see, name of my ZTE has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!